Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Woman Starts Her Vacation in Jail After Drunken Airport Outburst. Come on, man. Well, why people go to the airport and act a fool, man?
On February 15, 2024, an officer responded to a call of an unruly passenger on an incoming flight.
And my ears are plugged.
Step down. Go ahead, go.
Don't be mean.
I'm not being mean.
Yeah.
I just said,
I know.
okay.
Yeah. Nothing to nothing.
Here, come with me. We're gonna go that way. You have a driver's license?
I can walk down. Do?
You see it?
But I would like you to tell me why.
I will. I'll explain it to you.
I'm just going to apply with bullshit.
All right, come on. Come on. You're in a secure area. Come on. Huh? Come on. Can you what?
Smoke.
No, you can't smoke.
My ears are plugged.
All right, come on. I'm Sergeant Marshall. I work for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office.
And what is the problem?
You know, I know. Sir, that way.
Dougie,
That way.
go. You started it. Go.
Is this your husband?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me have your ID. Hey, you can go ahead.
No. Not until you tell me.
Okay. Listen, I'm
What
going
is
to
the
arrest
problem?
you if you don't give me your ID.
You have
Plain
no
and
right.
simple.
No right.
Yes.
Actually, you know what?
Drunk.
My son.
your ID.
What? I'm
Drunk,
what?
drunk and disorderly.
Well, that would be from Allegiant, wouldn't it?
Listen, I don't care.
Isn't this crazy how they just completely disregard the officer's orders? The husband, yo, you could go, you could keep going. Like, you see the other lady in the background right here, and she's like, yo, go, you know, or at least walk down, you know, give it some space. But they just completely disregard whatever the officer is saying. Like, that's crazy.
I didn't give you the drinks.
I'm not drunk.
Marcy,
No.
give him your
No.
ID.
Give me your ID.
Marcy, just give me your ID and go home. Let's go. Come on.
You go.
No, I'm not.
This all started because of you.
It's nothing to do
Listen.
It did.
Listen, this doesn't have to be that hard. I just need your information.
Exactly right.
Are you what's her name?
Marcy.
Spell her first name.
No.
M-A-R-C-Y.
Quit.
Hey.
Go.
You stop it.
No.
Stop.
Arrest me.
I may.
I welcome it.
I may. Don't touch
I
me.
welcome
Do
it.
not touch me.
You know why I welcome it? Because I have it all on
Okay,
video.
what's her first name?
Marcy.
Spell it.
M-A-R-C-Y.
M-A-R-C what?
Why?
Ma'am.
Stop it.
Stop.
You know what? I've been waiting for
Stop.
5 hours
Stop.
to have a cigarette.
Stop.
Arrest me.
She looked like a drunk.
Arrest me.
Marcy,
Stop.
stop it. It's
No.
As soon as we
It
get,
all started
as
from
soon,
you.
What
hey,
from me? What?
Your mouth.
as soon as we get,
What?
ma'am, as soon as we get this over with, you'll be able to go get your stuff and you'll be able to
we'll
leave.
Go home.
But if-
Marcy,
if
I
you
don't
give me,
even care.
give me your ID.
No,
Mr.
I'm
Marshall,
not.
Sorry.
Because you know what?
Oh, is that?
Allegiant,
Sergeant Marsh. What? Do you guys live in Florida?
overserved his ass
fine.
all night.
That's fine.
Not
That's
mine.
fine. That's fine.
His.
Do you live in Florida?
No, we
No.
live in Michigan.
What the fuck? Did you hear the officer? The husband said, "Hey, Mr. Marshall, whatever," because he probably read the name tag. The officer, Sergeant Marshall. What the fuck? Like, why you had to say all that? Like, who cares that you a sergeant, bro? Like, when you clock out, nobody don't give a fuck that you a sergeant.
Okay.
Arrest
Well, I need to identify her, and
No.
I'm not gonna let her
Your
go.
ID.
No.
Give her
This
ID,
is
we'll go.
for what?
Would you
Hey,
please
stop
give her
yelling.
Tell me for what?
300 Central, copy name and
Would
date
you
of birth.
just give her
No.
ID and
For
we're going
what?
to go?
For
Would you
what?
give her the ID?
Hey, stop.
I would like to know
Stop.
what
They're
I
both drunks.
Marcy, come
Hey.
here. Marcy.
They're both a bunch of
Ma'am.
drunks.
I'm going to have a cigarette.
Ma'am,
I'm going to have a cigarette, or you can arrest
Come
me
over
right
there.
now.
come over there right now.
Just give her
I'm
your
giving you
ID.
your last chance right now.
Marcy.
You have no right to be
Marcy.
doing this.
Yes.
Yes,
I
she
do.
does.
What did I tell me?
You're
what
not
I did.
identifying. You're not identifying yourself.
No, you tell me
Marcy,
why.
give me your goddamn ID. We're
Shut
going
up.
home.
Stand by.
tell me why I have to.
Because I just ordered you to. That's
Why did the plane
Marcy.
say
one
I
last
had to?
chance. One last
Marcy,
chance.
look at me. Marcy,
No,
come here.
take
Just
me in.
leave her be. Leave her
Okay, good. Take her in.
be. Give me your ID.
No, take me in. You have no
Okay,
right.
put your stuff down.
You have
Put
no
your
right.
stuff down. Turn around.
That's a
Turn around.
good deal, Marcy. You're an asshole.
You're under arrest.
What an idiot.
You didn't even tell me what the problem was.
I explained to you
No, you
3
didn't.
or 4 different
no, you
times.
Didn't. You never said
You're-
what the problem was.
They're complaining that you're drunk and disorderly.
Oh, well, they served me.
Okay, I get that they served you.
I hope you're happy.
300 Central. I'm gonna have a white female under arrest
Yep.
here at the airport. Can you have a unit meet me here?
Now can I have a cigarette?
No.
No.
Come on.
You little man syndrome? Is that what it is?
Well, we're going through the airport.
Little man syndrome?
Let's go.
Oh, let's show it off. Woo! Because they overserved me on Allegiant. And I get arrested because they overserved me on Allegiant. Now you want to fucking arrest me? I just got off the goddamn plane. How does that look for Allegiant? Real nice. You're pissing me off. Don't you squeeze my arm like that.
Listen, stop.
Don't.
Stop.
Don't you.
Stop.
Oh, the
Stop.
bruises that will be there? Let go of me. Let
Stop.
go
Stop.
of me. You're being a
Stop.
son of a bitch.
402 down the airport.
300 402. I'm by my office. I'm trying to bring her through there. She's causing a scene.
I'm causing a scene.
Yeah.
My wrists are being bruised. My arm is being
Stop.
bruised.
Stop. Stop. You are under arrest. Now you're resisting. You are
How
resisting
am I
arrest.
resisting?
Because you are fighting.
How am I fighting you?
You're fighting.
I'm right here against the f***ing door.
So why are you
Am I
hitting the
not
door?
right here against the f***ing door?
Stop.
How am I resisting?
Stop. Stop.
How am I resisting?
Relax.
Stop
Relax.
being a little man
Relax.
person. Think about your wife.
Relax.
Think about your children.
Relax.
All I did was come here for vacation.
Well,
Yeah. Well,
fortunately, you're going to be doing your first part of the vacation in our jail.
yeah, of course, because you're a little man. Can't wait to get in front of that judge. Because my phone is still recording.
That's fine.
And
That's
the bruises,
Fine. That's fine.
the
And
bruises,
there's no bruises.
oh, there will be in the morning. Oh, really? You really have to hold me like that?
Yes.
Really?
You're pulling away. And your hands are behind your back. I don't want you to fall.
Oh, to fall as you hold me like that.
Yes.
You wait
Can you
till
open the
those.
door so we can go through that way?
You wait.
Yeah.
Wait for those bruises.
She's extremely intoxicated.
Actually, I'm not.
Okay, just relax.
And I'm not going to be alone with him.
Well, it's a good thing I'm here.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna go in here.
I'm not going to be alone with him.
Just going through here, man.
I'm not being alone with you in a room.
You just trust
You've already put the cuffs.
I just need her transported, and
Damn, that's what he looked like.
I don't even know her name yet.
Don't
She refuses. to.
handle
Come on,
me.
let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're under arrest for disorderly intoxication
From what?
and resisting.
From what? The airplane?
Yes.
After
Yes.
they served me.
Yes, ma'am. I get that they served
No,
you.
if that's your
I get-
car.
I get-
no,
it's
I'm
not my
not
car.
going alone with you.
You're not going with me.
I'm not going with him.
You're going with him.
Okay.
I have not searched her.
Oh, search me.
I said I haven't searched you.
Where's the cuffs?
All right, nurse, real quick. You have anything on your person? Anything in your pocket?
You mind if I put this down?
No, I don't want my shit in there.
I'm not
No.
putting it back there. I'm going through your stuff to get your ID.
No, you have no right. I want an attorney. No, I request an attorney. You
Okay.
have, no,
Have a seat.
hang on. This is wrong.
Sit.
You have no right to go
Sit
through
in
my
the car.
I said,
Get in the car.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No.
You're an asshole. You want to loosen these a little bit?
Sit back.
You.
All right.
You do not.
Keep your camera on.
Yeah, I turned on before I got it.
Illegal! Illegal!
I'm trying to find her ID because she won't give me any information. And her husband's here, but he's not exactly any help either. But at least he had enough sense to just go in the airport. 300.
She made her wants valid out of Michigan.
10-4. Can you put her DL number out of Michigan in the call? I can just get it from there.
Channel.
Grand Rapids.
Yeah, that was Grand Rapids.
Okay.
I'll let Shelly know to take care of her people.
Seriously, she's up there right now.
Is she?
Yeah. She went
All
to
right.
Grand Rapids.
You can give her that.
I just came back from Grand Rapids like a month ago.
For real?
Yeah, it's
Well,
tiny.
she said today's the first day of her vacation.
Good. Well,
Well, I'll be here for a bit.
come on vacation, leave on probation. That would be
Yeah.
second is.
I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, Marsh, we didn't get that. Heard that came over there that
They asked me to remove to remove her.
Yeah, to meet at the
Yeah.
So SI's coming over. We didn't hear nothing from you at all over the radio, like assistance or nothing like that. So
Oh no, it's just because I called one of them.
Oh, okay.
Because I was just trying to get her information to send her, with her husband, and she's just being so belligerent and drunk and refusing to give me her ID. So I'm gonna go try to find her husband just to let him know real quick.
Okay, SI's gonna call me. They're gonna get me.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to get their information anyway.
Nobody else complained on the plane, but the one stewardess, because she was mad when I said, don't pull your hair down and shake it like that I have a video of. I want to go to my hotel.
You're going to jail.
Okay. And you know what? Allegiant and your ass will be sued. We come here for vacation and we end up with this? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Your ass will be sued, I'll tell you that right now. Hey, you have no permission to go through my shit. I saw that. Nope. You have no permission. No permission to go through my shit. I already said.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.